natin ngayon si Mr. Bobby Robert C. Bastillos, President Chief Executive of a Small Business Corporation. No? Ay, babati ka muna, sir, and then magtanong ako ng question.
Okay, magandang tanghali sa mga taga-Basilan. Ako'y nalulugod na nandito sa inyong bayan at sana ako'y makatulong sa buong Small Business Corporation.
Sir, ano po ka-importante itong finance forum, no? Para sa mga Basilan. Ano itong maasahan natin dito po sa programa ito?
Napakahalaga ng financing para sa mga businesses dito sa Basilan dahil napakalaki ng promise ng Basilan. Maraming resources and business opportunities dito. Kailangan lang talaga ng proper access to financing, of course, along with access to markets, and proper training and skills development. Pero sa tingin ko, you don't have to import a lot of your needs, lalo na yung mga food stuff, lalo na yung mga chicken and eggs and other things that you need, because you can produce them all here along with all the other agricultural commodities. Importante po na magkaroon ng access to financing. So kami sa SB Corp ay naghahanap ng paraan upang matugunan namin ang mga pangangailangan ng mga negosyante rito upang sila lumago, and they can also employ a lot of Basileños, and then they can also provide for the needs of the Basileños so that prices of food and other commodities and items will be cheaper.
Sir, maraming ng negosyo mag-exist dito sa Basilan, no? Okay, kaya ako dalawang corporation ko, mismo ako. So, ano po dapat gagawin po ng mga negosyante rito sa Basilan para mag-access ng credit?
Kami po sa Small Business Corporation, nagpapahiram po kami ng loans na maliit ang interest kumpara dun sa mga bangko o sa ibang mga financial institutions, lalo na compared dun sa mga informal credit. And also, we do not require collateral hanggang 5 million pesos. But you can start with as small as 30,000 or 100,000 or 300,000 and then going up. Yung amount ng loan that you can borrow will depend, of course, on the size of your business. Kapag malaki yung sales nyo, malaki din yung mahihiram nyo. Pag maliit lang, then we can start with 50,000, 100,000. The important thing is we begin to establish a track record. We begin to show that we can succeed and that we can repay our obligations properly and on time. At pagkaganyan, nakasuporta kami sa inyo hanggang lumaki kayo. Hanggang 20 million, pwede namin kayong pahiramin ni individual borrower.
Okay, sir. Ang proseso naman, ang proseso po pag-apply dito pa, gaano po kabilis ang pag-release po ng mga pondo? Kung ayos naman ang application.
Madali lamang po ang proseso kasi po ang application sa amin ay online. Ang ibig sabihin, pumunta lang kayo dun sa aming website, type nyo lang yung sbcorp.gov.ph at makikita nyo na dun yung mga nakalagay doon ng menu items na apply for loan or multi-purpose loan. I-click nyo yun. Now, kailangan kayong mag-open ng account sa amin, online account. Sanay naman po tayo mag-open ng online account. Tapos yan, pagka nakapag-open na kayo, pwede na kayo mag-apply, magdagdag lang ng ibang information, tapos yung mga minimum requirements namin, i-upload po yun. I-upload. Ibig sabihin, you don't have to go to our office kasi malayo pong mga opisina namin. Nasa San Juanga, nasa Davao, So, kahit dito lang sa Basilan, pwede na i-upload nyo lang pictures na negosyo, 3 pictures, tapos yung government ID, pagkatapos kung maliit yung loan ninyo, pag less than 100,000 or below, barangay business certificate lang. Hindi na muna kailangan ng mayor's permit, beyond 100,000, saka na kami hihingi ng mayor's permit. At yun lamang po mga kailangan, at i-upload nyo yun, then abangan nyo ang aming email sa inyo. Kailangan may email kayo, i-email namin yun. Tapos i-advise namin kayo kung anong status. Kapag naayos naman lahat, maganda yung kumpleto naman lahat, ay mabilis na. Within 2 weeks or less, pwede namin i-release yung law sa inyo.
Sir, last and final word mo, panawagan mo sa mga stakeholder dito, yung mga gusto mag-avail ng loan po ng court.
Well, we are here to help and we can respond to your needs. Magtulungan po tayo. Come forward, kung may mga tanong po kayo, punta kayo sa website namin, may mga contact details kami doon, mag-email kayo sa amin, leave us your number and your names so we can contact you directly kung may problema po kayo. So do not be afraid to seek financing if your business is growing, and do not be afraid to grow as a business and to gain skills, to train yourself, and then you also make sure that you're able to pay your obligations. Pwede naman po natin pag-usapan, if you cannot pay, we can restructure, and if you cannot pay right away, meron naman po tayong grace period. So we are doing everything we can so that we could make it easy for you. Our only request is that if you borrow, please pay and pay on time so that we can also help other people.
Okay, maraming salamat, Mr. Bobby Robert C. Bastillo po, President, Chief Executive Officer, Small Business
Maraming
Corporation.
salamat din po. And,
Okay.
thank you for adopting me as a son of Basilan.
Okay, ito po ay courtesy po ng Autonomous Basilan Islamic Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Ministry of Trade, Investment and Tourism, and then Chamber Traders and Retailers Association of Basilan. No? Okay, this has been Addition TV Corporation. Okay, this has been Abs Damahan lamang po sa public service. Boses naman.
Thank you.
Stay.